Had some problems with this carburetor here. Done cleaned it out once, but that part's good. The can't adjust the air fuel screw, and I need to check the jetting on this thing. I never really checked it other than the main jet's kind of small on it. Uh, Not that small, but it's a little bit small for what should be in there. So I need to check the needle. The boys complaining about a lean pop on the mid-range there. So I'm just going to pull the carb off here and see why the hell I can't turn the air fuel through. There. Already had to replace the accelerator pump here. Thing was kind of working intermittently, and took it off the other day and it was ripped in like 3 places on the diaphragm. For some reason it looks like it's tore up or something. Now with the other one, I already know what's in the other carb, and I know that it's right. And it's got adjustable needle in it and all that. It's already got the jet kit in there. This one doesn't. So I guess I'm going to swap out carbs. Yeah, I'll probably try and find another carburetor if I can't get this thing out of here. I'm not thinking with it right now. Let's go whip that other carburetor off that other one. Got this other carb on here. Now's a good time to shoot some lube in the cables if you haven't done so. I just lubed these last week, so they should be good for a while. Line back on there for the VOS and the fuel valve. That ought to be good. Run my fuel line back through here. Grab my thread sealer. Get these started. We can go ahead and take our carb screws, just hold the carb in place so we're lined up before we tighten it down. It's just to line them up right now. Don't need to overdo it on the Loctite, just a little dab on there will do it. Just like Brill cream, a little dab will do you. Don't forget to put your cap back on your Loctite. Stuff's too expensive to be wasting. We got to do something with this air cleaner. It's kind of small and kind of goofy looking. Not kind of, it is goofy looking. It ain't really for this. It's like a car one somebody modified to put on here, which it works. I've done it before on stuff. The little round ones with the chrome louvered cover on it. They work. They're not really made for this though. But you know, something better comes along, and it's his bike, so. I'll leave it up to him as far as what style he wants. Now remember your banjo bolts now, you want them tight, but not overly tight because you can wring them off. So maybe when we hit Metal Beach, we'll get a swap meet down there and see what he can find. It'll take a couple seconds to get gas to the carburetor. That's pretty good. That's no choke right there. Of course, I'll have to adjust the air fuel screw after it warms up. But, sounds pretty good. That used to be pretty damn close between this and the other one. We'll find out here in a couple minutes. As soon as it warms up, we're going to need to log the hell out of it. And carburetes a lot more cleanly now. No dead spots. Main jet's pretty much dead near on. Pulls away a hell of a lot cleaner. Idles better, everything. Kickstand is way too short for that since I swapped the shocks out. I was going to swap kickstands, but whoever put this thing frame together put the kickstand pin in upside down. It should go up from the bottom, not down from the top. So what happens is the kickstand's here. The pin goes up through the bottom, cotter pin goes in the top. They got it upside down, so they put it through the top, cotter pin on the bottom. So can't get it out. Swap kickstands yet. I'm not pulling the motor back out to be able just to swap the pin over. I guess I'll probably I ain't taking the motor out anyway. I'm doing it right now. I'll do it eventually in the future because he ain't really complaining about it. But I'll take a Sawzall blade with a metal cutting bit and cut the top of the pin off, and then just buy another pin and put it up from the bottom. Yeah, or don't know yet. Either way, you don't seem to mind it. I don't really care for bike leaning over that far. It's on a hill right now, and you see how far it's leaning over. It's got a pretty good lean to it. But like I said, he don't seem to mind. I asked him about it. He said, "No, I like it like it is. It's fine." But you know, he's 18 and don't know, so we'll see what happens. Sure does run better now with that other carburetor on there. I guess I'll try and fix that carburetor if I can get the air fuel screw loose and do my own homemade jet kit like I used to do. Have to get shims for the needle and fix that air fuel screw and different main jet. We should be good to go. All right, well, that's enough for now. time for me to go drink coffee and upload videos and edit and all that stuff. If you guys like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. And have a great day. I'm sure I'll be out here tomorrow doing something else, or maybe later this afternoon. I don't know yet. All right, take care.